I had a cosmic vision, but three tiny humans, three four goblins. My sanity is literally melting. Normal skills, no trash. Myriad of hand-sculpted petals. We're doing this.
Chaos Quill.
I'm Hope, your case coordinator. She's toxic, floral, and took an eternity. Built from trash boxes and sketchy paint. Broke goblins cannot be boring. Send help. Step 1. Papier-mâché, aka turning a good afternoon into a glue-covered disaster zone. Recipes equal parts trash, water, and coffee and snack deprivation. Stir until it looks like something an ant barfed up. Don't overthink it, just do it. Why the rush? Because I left my ancient phone with my tiny humans, and it's probably in pieces. Plus, I have laundry piling and 4 goblins to feed. Stress! As per video 1, go watch it! Here's the base, made from my prized pile of hoarded cardboard boxes that are slowly consuming my home. Now smash that paper clay on top to bulk it up. We're making an illusion that there's actually something inside this thing. Plot twist. There isn't. It's completely empty. Exactly like my brain. Yay! Now if this camera would stop blurring for 2 seconds. Thank you. You can see I am making a squiggly wood pattern on the tree trunk. Let it dry and then we sand the snek. Obviously. Drowning the trunk in water now. Why? Because paint prep. And time for brown paint because science! And trees are brown. Duh. Paint attack on the trees. Splishy splashy water. And paint and let's blend until my arms fall off. I think that this blending process is going to take 84 years. Wait, yellow? Brain cells have officially left the building. Oh, right. I wanted a fancy sun-kissed brown tone this time. Very majestic. Very elite. Yeah. Slapping a lovely snotty green base onto our snek. Adding yellow for that premium, gooey, chartreusey look. Is chartreusey a word? Let's pretend it is. Next up, the legendary paint wash and wipe. If you watched my first vid, you already know. If you didn't, why are you like this? Let's start peeling those squiggly hot melt glue and reveal the BYEEE pattern of our tree trunk. It's raining hot melt glue! Now just poke the trunk with various colors aimlessly. Pretend that we have a plan, when in fact, we don't. We never do. Now we sculpt. And by sculpt, I mean painting and punching this paper to make the base for our flower petals. gluing these individual flower petals onto this cardboard serpent like I'm some sort of obsessed flora-crazed goblin. Is this efficient? Absolutely not. Is this sanity preserving? I've forgotten what sanity feels like. I'm pretty sure I've entered a meditative state of pure petal-sticking panic. If I start talking to the serpent, just assume I've reached the final form of my delusion.
Well, that can wait, but this cannot.
Scratch that. The delusion is making me hungry. Crafting is paused because this instant noodles are calling my name. We are done here. Bye! Okay, I'm back. I'm fed and I'm ready to be a persistent crafting warrior. Wait, you've got to be kidding me. I did all of that painful flower sticking just to cover it completely with clay? What in the name of biscuits? I need my coffee to calm down. Code clear. The fur goblins are officially not chasing the snek. Moving in to stick more clay petals before chaos erupts again.
Mommy, can you wait for me to make all the stars and
Are you comfortable?
Abandon ship? Not an option. This absolute cutie patootie of a fur goblin just woke up and decided to micromanage my entire sticking dilemma. Don't let the cuteness fool you. Behold! The snek neck is transforming into a beautiful bouquet of flowers. We are cranking out all kinds of petals utilizing high-end professional tools, by which I mean the cap of my ballpoint pen to punch in patterns. And of course, we cannot forget the roses. Peak sophistication right here. Slap on that next fest. Wonky, but still pretty. Well, at least it was when I filmed this. Fast forward 2 hours and my kids chose violence, then decided Lesnek didn't need a love tie and customized the head with a massive wave of paint wash. Why do I even try? Almost done sealing these petals with a quick DIY shield, 2 parts glue, drowned in 1 part water. No time to lose! And so the dark rituals are completed. Now let's take a look at what we have created. Welcome to Emberis. Long before these floating islands became a sanctuary above the clouds, a catastrophic clash of fire and frost magic ripped this land right out the little doorway. The ground didn't shatter, it rose, and ascending with it was this. The bloom serpent. In the wild, the serpentine beasts coil around tree branches, guarding the realm's rarest flora. They say their breath can make plants bloom instantly, releasing soothing pheromones into the sky. But out here in the real world, it's just a reminder that broke goblins can make absolute magic out of literal trash. is officially locked within the Mythic Vault, whether as a legendary artifact or a manifestation of my own fractured sanity. Only time will tell, but peace is an illusion. We must leave these warm, floating gardens. Our next descent takes us into a realm of eternal winter, where the sky is painted in shifting auroras and frozen monoliths pierce the heavens. Something ancient stirs beneath the pulsing permafrost. A winged terror with two legs, a razor-sharp tail, and an insatiable hunger for pure chaos. Next time we forge a beast so specific my mortal brain absolutely had to Google the exact anatomical difference between it and a standard dragon. Can you guess what it is? Anyway, time to go raid my recycling bin for some cardboard monoliths. See you in the blizzard. Bye! No, really, for real this time.